So I'm getting a little late start to hunting this year. It's October 2nd already. Just work was crazy busy, but I'm setting up the new rig for the season here. I got this 23-0 tent, rooftop tent, and that thing's so wicked cool. Can't wait to try it. Folds out, there's a ladder, there's like a California King mattress foam pad up there. LED lights, it's perfect, right? Super good quality material, should keep me warm, cool weather. And then I got a 270 awning on this side that'll swing around. And now I'm trying to rig up a little DIY pressurized water tank. And I didn't want to buy one for like $400 on Amazon. So I went to the hardware store, I bought some 6-inch pipe and a bunch of connections and gaskets and all sorts of crap. I am going to have a fill spot here with an air nozzle to keep it pressurized about 30-35 psi, and on this end it's going to come down on an angle, and I'm going to have my spigot mounted right here and to a hose, and that'll give me fresh water, or I can hook it to the hot water shower, the instant shower. And I got about, I'm going to probably have about 5 feet of pipe, including some of this. It should give me close to 8 gallons of water up there, which that'll last a long time if you're taking quick showers, 3, maybe 4 showers. So I'm gonna get to work on this and kind of show you the process of this pressurized water tank. We are headed in. Got a couple hours before dark, so we're just gonna take our time and get camp set up for the night. I like to tell some of my friends that don't hunt, I go on these trips, killing deer is just a bonus because it's just beautiful and it's the adventure that comes first. So stuff works, man. Yeah, big bucks get camera shy, especially if they can smell them. I shot a doe in this area a few years, maybe 6 years ago with the recurve. See if I can find that footage, but good spot. Just getting that sense of fresh earth in the air. Those deer are curious, so just come sniff that. Hopefully start peeing it or something. I'm gonna go get my stand set up. In that one tree right there. All right, up in the tree. First time of the year, really. Hunted opening day, but that was just kind of for fun with the buddies, and we don't take that too seriously. And I finally got some couple days off here in a row. I'm in my favorite place in the Chequamegon National Forest, Sawyer County. I've only got a buck tag in my pocket, so we're going buck only out here right now, but could be good. I've been using the scent thief. Seemed to pay off last year for me up here in the Northwoods. Just spray a little bit on your way out and then spray down once or twice in the tree. Good stuff. shot him if I had a bear tag. That's so cool. I love it. Decent sized black bear right there. Oh yeah. Well, packing up camp this morning here in the Chequamegon. It was a fun 2 days. Didn't see the deer sign I was hoping to see. It's kind of tough. I know it's still early October, but I'm gonna head north another hour or so to Bayfield County and go do some scouting there and hunting. Basically, that's kind of what I do in the Northwoods. Is I'll bump around and kind of scout as I hunt and see. And once you get on some deer, hunt them. So maybe tonight I'll get a camera set up somewhere and do a little walking up there. Maybe 2 spots. Just look for some good sign, and definitely gonna go look for the scrapes that are getting hit. I think that's kind of the best option early October, especially with cold weather coming in. I mean, those bucks are gonna be getting up on their feet a little sooner, maybe than after dark. But we're gonna break the camp down here and hit the road. It's been raining all morning. Ready for this rain to stop. Had a little target practice. Practiced my freedom a little bit this morning. I'm gonna clean my guns. Maybe look at some photos. But it's about 11 o'clock now, and she's coming down pretty good still. So last year, I shot my biggest Northwoods buck to date, just off of this property into the forest land. It was pretty awesome. I got it all on film. I'm gonna switch to it right now. You guys can check that hunt out because it hasn't been produced yet or anything. So watch this hunt and we'll check back. Because the whole other part of the state is all under rain and wind. So we're up here and it's absolutely gorgeous. I got a scrape down there about 40 yards. I had a real big, just a tank Northwoods buck hit that at about 12:15 or 11:47 or something. And then a couple does came after it. It feels so good out here. So we'll see what happens. We got guys hunting everywhere. Ben and Nick in Minnesota, and Travis, and Sam in Minnesota, and a bunch of other guys in Wisconsin. It's the rut, baby. Let's go. I just stuck an arrow in that big one. the big one. I just stuck an arrow in him. Holy shit.
The one from the daytime videos or pictures morning?
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude. Nice.
Oh my gosh, dude. And I saw my arrow just go in, disappear, and hit the ground. And the arrow's got blood, but it's freaking raining. We're gonna let this deer. This is a beast. So last night was rough, but watching this video over and over, we think he just went up that hill and went down right there. You can see him kind of go this way and then that way, and then it was nothing. You could almost hear a brake, stick brake, and we think he literally just went up that and crashed. And it was so dark and rainy last night, we had to wait. The rain just cleared. We're going in. All right, we're going in. We're bringing Boone because why not? And he loves deer. Everybody knows that. So we're gonna take a hike in, get on this track. Come on, buddy. Hunt him up. Come on, Booney, hunt him up. Yeah, look at that. Good boy. What you got? What you got there? What you got? We had this deer on camera probably half a mile that way on my buddy Drew's camera. We had him on a camera right here. And yesterday we got in here up north, Bayfield County, forest land. And he came through. We moved the camera at 10:15 and he hit that scrape at 11:47. 5:30, 5:40. I had a couple does browsing acorns. There's acorns everywhere in here. And I like shooting does too. It was hard to not do that, but he was there and he came back and he bumped a couple does around. He bumped one doe to my right and she turned back and he turned and I had an opening and I just let it rip. I was a little high, a little higher than I like, but it actually wasn't as high as we thought, which is why in the video, just constantly watching it last night, it just looked like he ran up here and he kind of did one of these and fell over. And that's exactly what he did. What an amazing deer. Thank you God for another beautiful deer.